lovelies and friends, good morning and welcome back to the mix. Now we have Curly, that's Marcia Everbless, on today, and she's speaking about Ashanti. She's saying that he has until Tuesday to leave Janet's house. So let's go ahead and watch the video and see what she has to say. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. As always, have yourselves a wonderful one.
Darkness. If you're so nice and comfortable, we are hide for, if you sit down in a chair, I have the frame behind you. We are hiding for. It's not time for you to go. You have choose the left. I mean, why you being there after Tuesday too? Because in that way, I know she probably catch you. So me no want you left. So anything you have to do, you do it on time right there. Because they me want you. So me no mind if she give you a second chance as what you're begging for. That's why you have so much mouth. But she is a big mistake. You, Janet, I don't know why I'm up against you. But you are making a big mistake. Because that man have a serious problem. And as long as he have something against you or for you, he's going to keep blackmailing you. So if you have to go find some sort of way to alleviate the situations. Because if you think, say, you can't pay him out, or get an apartment for him, or give him a car, or give him back a car for drive or something, and you think that's the end of the story, you cannot get rid of a bad apple with spoil already. You can't get rid of it, it's gonna rotten, it's gonna get more rotten. Once the apple start get rotten, there's no turning back. It's gonna keep decaying and decaying and decaying. So you have to find a solution to the problem. You must know how you're going to get to the situation. But me want him to do there. Feel long to make him stay there. It's beneficial to me. In that way, I can't serve him. He can't run, but he can't hide. Because me, Marcia Campbell, me have my supporters them who live same place in there. So if him did it, I'm gonna see him. Me gonna know him did it. So him can't run, but he can't hide. Cause any at all him there, I'm going to know. So you can't run. So any at all choose to come, and you not gone about your business, I'm going to put you in somewhere else. Which is it? I know that's what she's going to do. And you're making a big mistake. I mean, I understand what him have over you. For making a blood clot, boy, they have so much power on social media. When you add the power to lock up the pussy clot, boy, and put him behind bars. When you have the power to take the bomber clot gun out in your hand. What do you think you're doing? You think you're doing him any favor? You better do what you got to do. And fix him before Tuesday. You make Tuesday come and you take him out to your house. At least you have until Tuesday. Me have until the 31st of October. So me have a whole month over you. Bitch ass Ashanti 360. The woman now mind me. Me mind myself. So you're a punk ass bitch. You're a man. You was a bitch. A mad, squatters, delusional, psychosis, bitch. Ashanti 360. You was a pussy. Fuck you. Pussy ass. Ashanti 360. That's what you is. You're no man. You is a pussy. And not even a woman pussy. You is a mongrel blood clot dog. Pussy ass boy. You can't fool Janet, but you can't blood clot fool me. she gave too much power. And if Janet, if you continue to help Ashanti 360, and me see say him still in your house, or anything, let me lose all respect. Everything is out the door. If you continue to help that boy. Him don't deserve it. And him still up on social media get trouble. Half time know him situation when in a the little blood clot never say come see boy. Huh? You know how much problem you have, pussy? You's a weak ass motherfucker. You's a weak ass motherfucker, Negro boy. You're nobody. You's a weak ass link. You only come on social media going like with a big mouth loud. You don't even know if you use your own blood clot gun. Not even the pussy clot bullet you don't even put in there. And you have gun. I want you to try to put them in, and it just whatever. Idiot boy. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to my son. My son got trained in the army school. Him know if he do everything. Pop, 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 pop. You's a punk ass bitch. Me not ball over, man. He's a strong blood clot, independent woman. Janet, control the dog them. Control the little mongrel dog them. Janet, control your mongrel dog. Bitch ass Ashanti 360 and into blood clot sidekick. Cut off them monthly supply. And let the bitch them go look walk. You look idiot coward boy. Chicken ass boy. Bitch ass Ashanti 360 you mentioned too. Pussy ass, weak ass motherfucker. Short ass midget, blood clot, dirty pussy old boy. And you mentioned too. You only can't put up my son picture. You couldn't come in front of my son. You see my son tall and handsome. My son a blood clot 6'4". You a blood clot midget. Margan strani. You talk about food and this and shelter. You can't even buy your own blood clot food. And me buy food every day. Eh? Me buy food every day. I want a blood clot jealous. Food every day. Every day. Every day. Me nice jerk pork. Every day. Me nice pork. Where you can't blood clot name. Poor people finna chest finna. Aye. Boy you name fish you can't even blood clot to buy fish. Huh? You can't even afford fish. Eh? If you not call me name. If you not call me name forget view. Weak ass boy, you weak. You want me to show you Facebook them say you're weak right now? What you were doing when the police them came? When the police them were called? Where were you and what were you doing? You're a weak ass bitch. Come out from me and put in name and go back to business. Workless boy. Workless pussy boy. Ashanti 360. If I can't pull up an address there right now, you out of the way, you have to run. You're going to run. Open the garage and sit down in there. And so one can't pull up and see how fast you let in the garage. You can't talk about me. Somebody can't come on social media and I try to put on people. The reason why she get a big stress, her cousin don't talk to her. Her man can't even help her. Or her son can't help her. Nobody can help her. How you know who I help if I want to help me? Huh? What I need help with? Right or wrong? Where money if you buy a moving company? Huh? What do I need help with? Huh? You know who I help if I want to help me? So me need help. Me need help to take up 2 little vase around the perimeters of the place and put in my vehicle. Few little tiny something. Eh? Why not call my friend name? Oh, my friend can't even help me. Where need to help me? Now me if you take up my little vase there myself. Eh? Me need help to take up vase to put in my vehicle. Me need to carry. Me need help to take up a little flowers vase. Eh? When big something for take up, then moving people come and move it and take up it. My cousin don't have to help me. What she need to help me for? Huh? What does she need to help me for? Them down the car blogging, then them down not show what for me. Them are watching. Huh? I want to understand. Does that make blood clot sense? Dirty pussy, Ashanti 360 come on Sullivan. You make you look at dirty people, them I call a careless girl them. Eh? I call it. She get a large storage because she's going to live in her storage. Well, at least I'm here pay for a month time, so I'm if you live in there. I'm here pay for a month time. So if me want to live in my storage, I'm here pay for it. I'm still going to look good same way. I'm still going to name food same way.